Post-processing metal additive parts involves fine metal removal and even oftentimes the touch of a craftsman. So can you give a robot a little more of the capability a craftsman might do? Pete Zielinski, Additive Manufacturing Media. I'm at Formnext, Frankfurt, Germany. Rivian is a newcomer to Formnext, the developer of robotic post-processing technology and software to make robots more effective for post-processing laser powder bed fusion parts. A big part of the key to Rivian's technology is hidden in the box down here. It is force sensing that can detect minute movements in the part while the robot is machining it, adjusting the robot's toolpaths in real time so that fine metal removal never overcuts the valuable additive part.